What is up everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video we are going to understand how to invest 1 lakh Indian rupee in 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is this video is for those who are new to investing, right? Who have no experience in investing and who wants to invest in equity markets. So let's get started. Another thing I need to address is that this answer is based on long-term investing. So if you are a short-term investor, then this video is not for you. So let's continue. As we all know, because of the coronavirus pandemic, all the economies in the world are going down. So we can clearly see that the market has started crashing since the coronavirus takes a huge impact on the world economy. If I talk about the Indian economy, it has gone down for almost 30 to 35%, right? Hence it is better to invest in the stock market. That means it is right time, or we can say it is good time to invest in equity markets. You have two options when it comes to equity investments. Either you go with direct stocks or you go with mutual funds. As a beginner and as a new to investment, I would suggest you to start with mutual funds. As the market is continuously going down and it has been seeing a huge volatility, we never predict the bottom line. What you need to do is invest slowly and steadily. So here are the two main ways where you should invest your money and why you should be investing in these type of funds. So the first is hybrid equity funds. As I have already discussed in previous videos that hybrid equity funds are a combination of equity and debt, where we will get a 30% portion of our portfolio in debt and 70% in equity. So it looks like a balanced portfolio where there is not that much risk and still we get better returns. So we can expect a 10 to 12% return on year basis. So if you have 1 lakh rupees in your hand and you want to invest in this this critical market when the market is still going down, and it is certainly a good time to invest. So as a beginner, I would recommend you to invest 60,000 Indian rupee in hybrid equity funds and stay invested for at least 5 years. 5 years, because hybrid equity because we never know how much time our economy will take to revive, right? So it may take a V-shaped curve to recover. It may take L-shaped curve, like it may take longer time, almost like 1 to 2 years. We never know, right? So that is why if we stay invested for 5 years, we will definitely get high returns. On the other hand, if we talk about the second type of investment, that we should be investing in liquid funds. Liquid funds are mandatory when the market is going down and there are a lot of uncertainties out there. So we never know when the coronavirus will when the country will recover from coronavirus, right? One of the best thing about liquid fund is you can redeem your money anytime. If you have invested now and then you want to redeem your money just after 4 days, you can withdraw your money. So the limit is 4 days. If you want to redeem your money just after 4 days of investing, you can redeem. But I would recommend you to invest 40,000 Indian rupee for at least 2 years. But you need to smartly use your money in this critical time. Why? Because when the market goes down, you should transfer your money from liquid fund to hybrid equity fund or large cap fund. This way you will get a high number of units in lower price, right? So this is how you should allocate your money, and if you stay invested for consistently 5 to 10 years, you will definitely get more than around 8 to 10% return, and which is not at all bad, because you are just a beginner in mutual fund investment, right? And when the market has started crashing, it is always good time to invest. And if the market recovers really fast, you will get more than 10 to 12% return. So this is how you should be investing your 100,000 Indian rupee in 2020. So I hope you like this video. Do share with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.